Number 1.
1992 Ford F250, price $7,600, showing 160,000 miles on the odometer. It is powered by a strong and proven 5.8L gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission, delivering dependable performance for both daily use and light-duty hauling. Finished in a clean white exterior with a gray interior, the truck features an extended cab and a long bed, offering additional passenger space and generous cargo capacity. The vehicle remains mostly in its original factory condition, maintaining its authentic character, with only a few tasteful upgrades including American racing wheels that enhance its appearance and an aftermarket radio equipped with Bluetooth connectivity for modern convenience. It also comes fitted with brand new tires, making it ready for immediate use. As expected from a 34-year-old vehicle, it is not in perfect condition and shows minor signs of age, but these imperfections are consistent with its history and do not take away from its overall reliability.
Number 2.
1996 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000, is a black pickup truck with a gray interior, equipped with a 5.7L Vortec gasoline engine, automatic transmission, and a properly functioning 4x4 system. With 225,000 miles on the odometer, it has been maintained with several new parts to keep it running reliably. It also comes with brand new 285/70 or 16 tires, a GM Duraliner bedliner, and original GM floor mats, making it a practical and well-equipped truck for everyday or utility use. The vehicle runs and drives smoothly, showing solid performance for its age. The interior condition is generally good, although there are some minor flaws such as a torn headliner and a small rip on the driver's seat. The air conditioning system has a newly installed compressor, but it may have a leak or the compressor itself may not be functioning optimally.
Additionally, the passenger side upper ball joint needs replacement.
Overall, this truck remains a dependable 4x4 with strong capability despite a few minor issues.
Number 3.
1998 Dodge Ram 1500, price $9,000, showing only 63,000 miles on the odometer, which is considered low for its age.
It is equipped with an automatic transmission featuring overdrive, ensuring a smooth and efficient driving experience both on city roads and highways.
The truck comes in a classic green exterior paired with a clean gray interior. This model is fitted with a sport package and configured as a 2WD extended cab, offering additional cabin space and practicality for passengers or storage. Under the hood, it is powered by a Magnum 5.9L V8 engine, known for its strong performance and durability, making it suitable for both daily driving and light-duty work. The vehicle also features a fully functional air conditioning system that blows cold,
enhancing comfort during drives in warm weather.
For entertainment, it includes a cassette player along with a built-in radio, adding a touch of classic functionality. Overall, the truck runs and drives great, reflecting proper maintenance and care over the years.
Importantly, it has never been involved in any kind of accident. Number 4.
1984 Ford F250, price $6,500. It has been driven 118,000 miles and is powered by a gasoline-fed 460 cubic inch big block engine, paired with a 4-speed manual transmission that delivers a traditional and engaging driving experience. Visually, the truck stands out with its bold and distinctive orange exterior, complemented by a matching orange interior that creates a unique and eye-catching appearance. The paint remains entirely original, a rare quality that highlights the truck's well-preserved condition over the years. Inside, the cabin is described as being in amazing shape, showing minimal wear and reflecting careful ownership. Overall, this F250 is not only a strong-running and reliable truck, but also a solid example of a vintage pickup with hard-to-find factory options.
Number 5.
1996 Chevy C1500, price $7,250, powered by a 5.7L V8 engine mated to an automatic transmission, providing strong performance and a smooth driving experience. This unit is equipped with the Silverado package, adding a range of comfort-focused features such as power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, and cruise control. The truck has accumulated 227,000 miles, yet it continues to run and drive very well, reflecting its solid build quality and proper upkeep.
All systems are functioning as intended, including the air conditioning, which blows cold, and the heater, which produces strong heat, ensuring comfort in different weather conditions. Inside, the cabin remains practical and user-friendly, offering a straightforward layout and reliable controls. Number 6.
1998 Chevrolet 2500, price $9,000. It has been extensively updated and well-maintained, making it a reliable and ready-to-use truck. It features a newly installed fuel injection system, a completely overhauled brake system, not just pads, but all components, a new starter, and a new flex plate. The suspension has been upgraded with Rancho shocks, complemented by brand new tires and wheels for improved performance and handling. Inside, the truck boasts a fully refreshed interior with added sound deadening for a quieter ride, while new front and rear lighting enhances visibility and appearance. The air conditioning runs ice-cold, and the vehicle is free from any leaks, overall making it an excellent choice for both daily use and heavy-duty tasks.
Number 7.
1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,500. It has been driven approximately 311,000 miles and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a clean white exterior paired with a black interior, and it runs on gasoline. Key suspension and steering components have been updated, including control arms, ball joints, tie rods, and the full steering linkage system such as the idler arm bracket, and pitman arm. Additional improvements include new sway bar links, shocks, and A-arms, contributing to better ride quality and stability. The truck has a replaced front grille, headlights with bulbs, and taillights. Inside, the flooring and headliner have been redone, and the left door pins and bushings have been replaced. For added convenience and modern functionality, the vehicle is equipped with a Kenwood stereo system that supports Apple CarPlay, allowing seamless smartphone integration.
Number 8.
1996 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,600. That has been driven 193,000 miles and comes with an automatic transmission. It features a black exterior paired with a gray interior and runs on gasoline. Equipped with a powerful V8 engine, 4x4 capability, and a tow package, this truck is well suited for both daily use and heavy-duty tasks. The transmission has been rebuilt, and it also includes a new fuel tank and a custom exhaust system. Overall, the vehicle runs and shifts great. However, there are a few minor issues to note. The fuel gauge is not working, there is a small rust spot on the rear fender, and the shocks may need replacement. Despite these, the truck comes with a clean title and remains a solid and dependable option.
Number 9.
1965 Chevrolet C10, price $7,750. That has been tastefully lowered using proper springs, giving it a clean and appealing stance. It is powered by a 292 inline 6-cylinder engine paired with a manual transmission, offering a traditional and engaging driving experience. With approximately 123,000 miles on the odometer, this truck runs on gasoline and is ready to be driven and enjoyed as it is, or taken further to the next level. The exterior is finished in blue, complemented by a brown interior that enhances its vintage character. It has been upgraded with front disc brakes for improved stopping performance, making it more practical for modern driving conditions. Structurally, the truck is in solid condition, with cab mounts and rockers reported to be in good shape. Overall, this C10 presents a great opportunity for someone looking for a reliable classic truck that blends originality, usability, and potential for further customization.
Number 10.
1991 Chevrolet S10, price $3,650. It has been driven for 180,000 miles and comes equipped with a 4.3 V6 gasoline engine paired with an automatic overdrive transmission, offering smooth performance. The truck features a red exterior with a black interior, giving it a classic and clean look. It holds a clean Florida title and remains in very good overall condition for its age. While the air conditioning is currently not working due to a leak, the vehicle still provides an enjoyable driving experience, especially with the windows down and fresh air coming in. Overall, it's a dependable and sturdy pickup, ideal for daily use or light work.